Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Daily. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. I wish you happiness, good health, and many beautiful moments in your life. Thank you for joining me in another English learning lesson. I am very happy to see you here. If you are learning English step by step, you are in the right place. Take your time. Listen carefully. And enjoy this learning journey with me. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting topic. We will talk about my best friend. A best friend is someone who is always beside us. A person who listens to us. A person who shares happy moments with us. In this lesson, we will learn how to describe a friend. We will talk about personality. We will talk about activities we do together. And we will learn some useful words and phrases for daily English conversations. Before we start our lesson, I have a small request for you. If you enjoy these English lessons, please subscribe to the channel. Please give this video a like. And share it with your friends or family members who are also learning English. Your support helps us create more simple and useful English lessons every day. Thank you so much. Now, let's begin our lesson. First, let me tell you about my best friend. My best friend's name is Emma. We have known each other for many years. We first met at school. At that time, we were both young students. We sat next to each other in class. We started talking. And slowly, we became close friends. Emma is a wonderful person. She is friendly and kind. She always smiles when she meets people. She likes to help others. And she always tries to make people feel comfortable. The word friendly means someone who is nice and easy to talk to. For example, we can say, my best friend is very friendly. She can talk to everyone and make new friends easily. Friendly is a great word when we want to describe a person with a warm personality. Let's remember this word one more time. Friendly. A friendly person is someone who is open, nice, and easy to communicate with. Next, let's talk about kindness. Emma is also very kind. She cares about her friends. When someone has a problem, she listens and gives support. She never ignores people who need help. A kind person does small things that make others feel better. For example, my friend is kind because she always helps me when I need her. Kind is another beautiful word to describe someone's personality. Let's say it again. Kind. A kind person is caring and helpful. After that, let's talk about another interesting part of her personality. Emma is very funny. She always makes me laugh. When we spend time together, we often tell stories and share jokes. Sometimes, we laugh for a long time because of simple things. Having a funny friend can make our days brighter. The word funny means someone or something that makes us laugh. For example, my brother is funny because he always tells interesting stories. Funny is a simple but powerful word. Let's repeat it again. Funny. A funny person can bring happiness to the people around them. Now, I want to talk about the activities we do together. My best friend and I spend a lot of time together. We usually meet on weekends. We like going to the park. We enjoy drinking coffee and talking about our lives. Sometimes, we study English together. We practice speaking. We help each other learn new words. The phrase spend time means to use time doing something with someone or something. For example, I spend time with my family every evening. Or, I spend time with my best friend on weekends. This phrase is very natural in daily conversations. Let's remember it once more. Spend time. It means to enjoy moments with someone or to do an activity for a period of time. Next, I want to share a special memory with you. Last year, my best friend and I went on a small trip. We visited a beautiful place near the city. We walked around. We took many pictures. And we enjoyed every moment together. That trip helped us become even closer. A good friend is not only someone who is with us during happy times. A good friend is also someone who stays with us during difficult moments. Finally, I believe friendship is one of the most valuable things in life. A best friend can bring joy, support, and motivation. A true friend does not need to be perfect. A true friend only needs to be honest, caring, and understanding. Today, we learned how to talk about a best friend. We learned important words like friendly, kind, funny, and the phrase spend time. These words are very useful when you want to describe people in English. Let's say them together one more time. Friendly, kind, funny, spend time. Great job. Keep practicing these words in your daily conversations. Thank you so much for listening to today's lesson. I hope this topic helps you speak English more confidently. Remember, learning English is a journey. Every new word and every new sentence brings you one step closer to your goal. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to English Daily. Please like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English too. Your support means a lot to us. I will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye and see you soon.